Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone has had a absolutely wonderful day. I say had a wonderful day because it is Thursday evening as I am filming this, and I know that I'm starting to get really tired. So if I stutter or stumble through this, just forgive me. You guys know I don't edit my videos, so there's no telling what will happen. But anyway, thank you so much for being here. If you have not already, go ahead and hit subscribe. You're here. You might as well. That way you will be able to see all of my future videos, which will include unboxings and different reviews. And as you can see from the description below, we have a new unboxing, a new subscription unboxing today. This is the Heart Yourself box. This was through Crate Joy. This is kind of a pamper yourself, treat yourself, relax type of box. It is going to have a variety of products in it to help you relax. It is, I believe it starts at $48 a month and is supposed to include 7 full-size items. It is a fairly new subscription, so I was actually very pleased. I've been in contact with the owner. This box was kindly sent to me to review and share with you guys, so I'm super excited to do that and show you what is in here. And I will make sure to link down below the Crate Joy website so that if you like what you see, you can sign up. This is the September box, so we're still in August, but like I said, they're kind of new. She went ahead and sent this one to me to go ahead and share with you guys. So this is the September box. I'm not sure that every box is exactly the same. It may vary a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and dive in and see what is in it. I know it's really heavy. This is how it comes, the Heart Yourself box, and it's got pretty little tape around it. It says, follow your faith, love this, you've got this, never give up. So just really cute little inspirational things. So let's get in here. Like I said, it's really heavy, so pretty sure it's going to have quite a bit in it. All right. All right. So when we open it, this is what it looks like. Some tissue paper. Card says, thanks a million. We hope you love every single item in this box. Please don't forget. Happy unboxing. And then it has their Instagram, which if you want to follow them on Instagram is at HeartYourselfBox1995. So take that out. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all. You see all of this? Ooh. We've got quite a bit of stuff in here. So let's take a look. First thing I see, Herbal Essences Bio Renew Sheer Moisture Cucumber and Green Tea in the Shower Foam Conditioner. pH balance, color safe, no parabens, and says Herbal Essences whipped foam with BioRenew essential antioxidants leaves your hair soft and free-flowing. So this is what it actually looks like. I want to smell it because I like to smell everything. Cucumber and green tea. Shake well. Thinking that was the case. I feel like I got one of those. Y'all seen those exercise things that like you just shake back and forth? All right. Whoop, sorry. All right, so I just put it on here because I didn't want. Oh, that smells good. Smells very fresh and light, and that smells so good, even on cardboard. So yay for that. I saw this caught my attention immediately. This is from Bath and Body Works. It is a full-size lotion. This is the scent Pink Magnolia. So, let's see. I don't know that I've ever tried this scent. So we're going to. Sorry, that dropped. Oh, that smells so good. Like, it smells really good. And who doesn't love some Bath and Body Works? Am I right? So, next. This is by Neutrogena. I've actually tried this before. It works really well. The oil-free acne wash. It is the pink grapefruit foaming scrub. So that's great. And let's see. Ulta Beauty Mermaid Splash Bath Bomb. So that is with the ring light. It is not going to show you, but I promise you that is what it says. I can't tell if what I'm smelling is the lotion or this. Either way, it smells good. So, and it just rolled away. I told you guys, you're gonna have to bear with me tonight. Mermaid shower bombs. That's interesting. It's like two halves. I can't tell if there's something in there or not. I guess we'll find out. And can't really smell. It's wrapped up really well. The next product is Dr. Lip Bangs Lip Freak, the strongest buzzing lip balm in the world. This is in Sinomint, S-I-N-O-M-I-N-T. Never heard of this. Lip Freak. Just pucker up and smear this awesome balm on your kisser. Within a minute, your lips are going to freak out. We're talking about a crazy vibrating buzz that isn't like anything you've ever felt before. Freak out the next person you kiss when you transfer Lip Freak from your lips to theirs. Feels electric, super powerful. It's 100% natural and super moisturizing. And then it says, beware, not for crybabies. That's interesting. Sealed for your protection. Guess I need to take that off. Okay, so it smells just like mint. I didn't know with the name being Cinnamint if it was gonna be cinnamon. I'm kind of scared, y'all. All right, we're gonna give it a go though. So if I like freak out in a minute, you know why. I don't know if it'll do anything considering I have lip gloss on. I feel it tingling already and it's not been a minute, so we'll see. Okay, the next item is from Onyx Professionals. This is Revive Scrub-A-Dub Foot Scrub Eucalyptus and Lemon. Revives and refines, removes tough calluses, scent refreshing benefits. So that's great. All about keeping the feet soft and smooth. We've got okay. There's nothing about this item. My lips are really tingling, you guys. Like, they're tingling. Not in a bad way, it actually, I mean, it feels, I don't know. It feels good, but it is different. Okay, but anyway, this item does not have a tag on it. And there is no card or anything with information. I am going to make an educated guess. It's gummy bears. And they're all the same color. I'm thinking that they may be like wine gummy bears or champagne gummy bears, something like that. I'm gonna take the little twisty tie off and give them a smell and see if I can tell. Because usually you don't see like just one flavor like this unless it is going to be, like I said, champagne or gummy bear or champagne or wine gummy bear. That's what it is. I can smell. I'm pretty sure. It's some kind of a champagne or wine gummy bear. So treat yourself with that. Get your bath bomb and your scrub-a-dub and your face wash and enjoy some of those in the tub. Let's see here. Sorry, I'm getting goofy, y'all. I'm getting tired. Okay. Soft Lamb Steam Hair Mask. For damaged hair, color protection, fights frizz. This is by Hip Chic. Let's read about this. This easy to use DIY steam hair mask is a fun and adorable way to improve the look and feel of split ends, stressed out and unruly frizzy hair. Directions: after shampooing the hair, gently remove excess water, gather the hair towards the top of the head, open mask and cover over hair. Tighten the mask around the head so there is no space for the cream to get out, and sticker the bottom around the head. Gently massage the highly concentrated nutrient treatment all over so the cream is evenly absorbed. After 10 to 15 minutes, take off mask and rinse off the treatment with water. So it's like a shower cap with a built-in hair treatment. That is really interesting. I'm all about some hair treatment, so try that. That's different, but I like it. We have one final thing in here. This is another hair mask. So this is also by the Hip Chic. This is step 1, step 2. Y'all, my lips are like for real tingling. Like, I have to go give my husband a kiss when I finish this video. Like, they're for real tingling. Sleeping hair mask, 2-step hair cap, shea butter. Fight and repair damaged frizzy hair. Luxurious benefits of shea butter: protect hair color and boost radiance while sleeping. Direction. Oh, my lips are tingling. Directions. Before bed, apply the cream hair mask all over dry hair, focusing on damaged areas and ends. Place cap over hair and let it soak overnight. In the morning, rinse well and wash if necessary. So that's okay. So step 1 is the actual mask treatment. Step 2, I'm guessing, is like the, like, I have hair, it says hair cap. So this, y'all, my lips, I'm sorry, but they are really tingling. Moisturizes and strengthens hair, helps to prevent future damages, and restore shine. So, because I'm funny about sleeping with something on my hair, y'all, my lips, that stuff is crazy. I'm probably gonna put this in the giveaway, this hair mask here, because I got 2, so I'll use this one. Sorry. But my lips are just like, they weren't lying when they said it would buzz. Like, whew. So, you're probably gonna use this one, because for me, it's more functional and something like you do while you're in the shower. Because like I said, I'm funny about putting stuff on my head when I'm sleeping. So this one will be in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure, if you have not already, go ahead and hit subscribe. You are already here. So you that will then see all of my future videos, which will include unboxings and reviews. And the link will be down below to get you signed up for the contest, so you have a chance to win the box full of awesome prizes. My mind, y'all, I can't think about anything but my lips tingling right now. That's crazy. So that was everything in the box. Again, this is the Heart Yourself box. It is a newer subscription box that is offered. Again, this was kindly sent to me for review. The opinions were all my own, and I mean, I really liked the box. I think it had a good variety of items, and that, you know, did what it said it was going to do. It's items to help you relax and unwind. So, yay. And again, I will link the site. It's through Cratejoy for you to sign up if you would like. It, I believe, starts, like I said, at $48 a month. And I think that's about it, guys. My lips are tingling. I'm seriously thinking about when I finish, I'm gonna go in the living room and I'm gonna give my husband a kiss and see what he does. Unless he's heard me. But anyway, they like are for real tingling. It's crazy. Because I didn't even put that much on, and I already had lip gloss on, so I can't even imagine just putting it on my bare lips. So I hope you enjoyed the contents. Like I said, the link will be below if you want to go sign up. And I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon.